I am still very bullish on Dogecoin and all cryptocurrencies. I hope you guys have been able to buy the dip, been getting involved at these discounted prices. If you are new here, we are in a bull market. We are about to go very, very high. All cryptos. You can pretty much pick any good cryptocurrency project, at least in the top 100, and you will probably double to 5x this year. That's what I'm thinking. It's not financial advice. Specifically, Dogecoin, I think, is going to do something like that, 2 to 5x minimum. And yes, we could have all sold. We saw some signs, some bearish signs near the top for Dogecoin. Yes, we could have all sold. Then we could buy the bottom. But hindsight is always 20/20, right? So much easier to say, oh yeah, if you'd have told us to sell, or if we would have sold our Dogecoin and cryptos at the top, now we could buy the dip and then make more money by buying more coins. But you can't out-trade news events. You can't out-trade World War III. You can't out-trade bombing events, things like this. Can't do it. And here's the thing. If you do decide to sell when we're about to enter into the halving, when things are very bullish, at any moment you can wake up and the price will 2x. And then it keeps going higher and higher. And then you're like, oh my gosh, I'm missing out on this massive pump. Let me go ahead and buy more. So by the time you actually end up buying and FOMOing in, then it crashes down and then you sell because you don't want it to go down any lower. And you just end up losing everything. The key here is to hold with diamond hands. If you do see signs, like you use my indicator, you follow my signals in my Patreon, yes, you could use those to take profits. You could use those to sell and then wait for a dip to come, which always definitely comes, and then buy in lower. Yes, you could out trade the market for sure. But right now, to keep it very simple, it's better to hold and to add on these dips when we get them, because every single 4 years of the Bitcoin halving event, which is just in a couple days now, causes a massive spike in prices for 18 months. So don't worry about these low prices, how the market's crashing. Oh, my portfolio was so high. No, it's down. Don't worry about that, guys. The market is about to go way higher. Yes, we could have another candle going lower, another lower candle for cryptos, for Bitcoin, for Dogecoin, for everything. We could have that, yes. But the chances of us bouncing up really hard and really fast is very, very high compared to going down a little bit lower. And if we were to go down much lower, it really wouldn't be that much, in my opinion. Bitcoin, every single correction for the past year has only corrected maximum 20 or so percent, 21%, I think, max. And Bitcoin has corrected, I think, 18 or 17% total from this crash with all the news. So we're really technically close to a bottom. And we're starting to see cryptos. Bitcoin just flipped green on the day. Cryptos are bouncing up a little bit. I think we're going to see a big short squeeze very soon. And I'm expecting fireworks for Dogecoin specifically very, very soon. So continue to hodl. We are going to sell. I will tell you guys when I'm selling, especially in the Patreon. You're going to get my sell alerts every single time I think the market's going to go lower. And after it pumps up, I always give you guys take profit alerts. But when I actually start to take profits, I hadn't sold anything this whole year. When I start to take profits, guys, I'm going to let you know in the videos. I'm going to let you guys know in the videos. And we're going to be able to trade this market, this market excellently. We're going to trade this market well. And the goal here is on the next really big leg up, when we start to see momentum starting to shift, bearish things starting to happen, then we want to probably take profits. We probably want to de-risk and get in cash and wait for crashes and dips and corrections to come, and then buy the dip at these 30 to 40% discounts, which means that on this next major leg up, this next pump, which is going to happen soon, and we start to see the market consolidate, starts to weaken, and it starts to show the momentum coming down, then we want to take profits, de-risk, have a lot of cash, not all cash, because we do want to be exposed in case the market just takes off like crazy. We want to have some exposure, but ultimately the best way to make money in this market is to buy at the bottom, sell at the top. So you wait for these crashes to buy after you've already de-risked. You wait 20, 30 to 40% corrections. You start scaling in from 20% corrections, 15, and all the way down to 40% corrections, which is typically like the sweet spot for Dogecoin and other altcoins. And then we wait for the market to pump up 100%, 200%, 300%. something like that. And then we start to see the market begin to weaken, begin to roll over. Then we buy the dip. And then we rinse and repeat. It goes up again and we sell, because we definitely don't want to be bag holding, right? We definitely need to take profits at some point in this bull run. And there is going to be a bear market in the future, probably in the next 18 months or so. I think we will start to see some type of top. Bitcoin will correct a lot. Bitcoin will typically correct about 85% every 4 years. And then the whole process starts over again. Bear market, everyone sells off all the FUD. Then the market goes back up. You have the bull markets, meme coins, and then it just rinses and repeats. I don't know how many more cycles it's going to repeat like that, but that's typically how financial markets work. The stock market, pretty much very similar, has these bull markets, bear markets, but continually making new highs, new all-time highs, continually growing. Make sure you guys are in the Patreon. There's a whole bunch of alerts that are coming up that you don't want to miss. There's some coins that are about to make some serious gains. You guys get early access to these coins and my constant market updates that helps you guys make a lot of money. Make sure you guys are in the Patreon. Make sure you guys are using Algosniper. This thing will also visually help you to understand when it's best to buy and sell cryptos. You guys can try it today for just $1 at algosniper.com. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.